Yep, it caught and released itself. Stay. Can't use the tripod because of the wind. Brandon's setting up the shack and we can't leave it alone because the wind wants to blow it down the lake. I don't know that there's anything here. It is off to the side a little bit, but no movement. No, there's nothing. Nope. See if it took the bait or not. We do have something. Oh, Brookie. Don't get away from the line, please. Shoot, do not do that. Unhook you real quick. Here we go, quick catch and release. No, in the hole, bud. There you go. Small brookie. Lots of those. Yeah, real little. Little guy. How's the hook in it? Hey guys, it's April 8th and this is probably our last day on the ice until December. You wouldn't know it's April 8th. It was when we got here 21 degrees. It's warming up a little and the wind is brutal. It's really cold actually. And we started drilling holes and I can't believe how thick the ice is. It went all the way up to the handles on our auger. We weren't sure we were gonna actually get through it. We just barely, the auger just barely got through. So fishing for brook trout out here with dead bait because that's all we can use. I've got some old dead smelts that I'm using, and then if I run out of those, I'll use some shiners. Beautiful sunny day, but man, is it cold. Gonna be holed up in the ice shack quite a bit, but we're really glad to be out here at this late in the season.
Pond that we hit early in the season. It's getting the end of the season. On the ice is hard to come by. So here we are. So there's a high flyer. See if she has it.
Feels like it.
Only took out 17.
10 yards of line. More than that.
Ooh. Water's bubbling there a little bit.
Yeah, it's going all around. Circles. There you are. Come on up. There we go. Not a bad brookie.
Oh!
All tipped over. Oh my goodness! Wow! Heck of a brookie you caught.
You like that?
Yeah. You need the pliers.
Ah!
It's got little spots on it.
Ah! A little bluffy.
Yeah. Check the bait on this one. Something came up and grabbed it. I don't know if it's still there though. I kind of think it's not. It hasn't moved. Maybe. I think so. Got a little brookie here. Yep, sure do. That's a skinny little brookie. Look at that guy. Wow, look how skinny. Just checked the bait on this one about a minute ago. Must be moving because he's pulling. It's a shaking. I can't remember. I just either put that one up or down. I can't remember. Took some line because it's only like 9 feet deep right there. There we go. Here we go.
Yep, it's a moving.
Good. It's a little icy. Oh, come. Still there? Ah! Crap. Yeah. Dropped it.
Did it?
Yeah. Holy crap.
Wait, still there?
Right now. Got something? What's that?
What in the heck?
That was supposed to be April Fool's, but I couldn't do it on April Fool's Day. It swims!
What the hell?
I got you!
I'm like, how in the hell?
So last weekend it was doing that in my pocket, like all weekend, and I can't believe you didn't hear it and say, what is in your pocket? It was
Babe,
going, beep, 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 beep.
what the hell is this?
Congrats. Well, I hope you enjoyed our day on the ice today. Not sure if it's our last day or not. We were planning to go someplace even further north next weekend, but it's kind of going to be in the 70s this week, so it might not be possible to play it by ear. But if we're not out ice fishing this weekend, we'll be doing something else that we'll bring to you. Did you have a good day out there?
I did have a good day. I even caught a fish, but I think it might have been a rubber fish that my wife put on the end of the line and said, hey, flag.
Yeah,
So,
that happened as well as I could have expected. I wasn't sure. I was afraid he was going to see me, but he didn't. I was a little surprised. I look, I'm like, oh crap, 2 flags. He's going to want me to take that one, but I pulled it off, so I'm pretty proud of that. Thank you guys for watching our ice fishing. If this is our last day out, I'm also going to do a video with all our best highlights and the really fun stuff from this year. But we've got open water fishing and camping. I think our first camping trip will be in late April, so we've got lots of stuff we're going to bring to you still.